It's a shit situation no one wants to be in. It is way too cold for riding shit. I know there's gonna be some people watching that are like in Minnesota and shit, or Michigan, North Dakota, whoever might live there. Fuck. But it's 29 degrees here. It is terrible. I live in Central California. This is the worst thing that could ever happen. You know, except for an earthquake, but you know, they keep saying earthquake, oh my god! I actually went on vacation in Southern California right when they had like this epic earthquake scare. You know, I don't know a single person that has earthquake insurance. Not even a business. But I don't know. Earthquakes. No. This right now is happening. It's the worst thing I could ever imagine. It's fucking cold. If it was raining, I think I would just lay down and die. Like, I just don't deal with... You know, I work outside for a living. Different locations. And sometimes you're out in the rain. Sometimes you're in the warehouse. Very rarely you're in a warehouse. But no, this is like during work time when it's raining, it's cold, it's freezing, or you know, it's 115. You know, it fucking is what it is. Like, whoa, shit! Woo! That was epic! I hope I got that. Shit, I was talking about. Oh, extreme temperatures. Like right now. My nipples are literally going to destroy my hoodie underneath this. Like, I can't go out in public with these little tiny pinhole... I mean, just like, it's like, through my jacket. There's a car behind me, and you know? Can't have that. There's a couple of places you can hang out and have that, but just like in the New Guy, man. Sex you getting, you don't want. The sex you want, you ain't getting. Show up with your hoodie like that. When I'm at work and I have to deal with extreme temperatures, it means super hot, super cold, super rainy, you know, shitty people in general, then, you know, that's what I'm getting paid to deal with. That's, you know, kind of my job. Well, that's not my job, is to deal with all that, but it comes with it. It's the territory, you know, it just, and the people that can just get through it, they're the ones that end up successful in my particular field. But in my personal time, fuck no. When it's 115 outside, know where I'm at? In front of a fan with my pants off. Yeah. You know what I mean? Just spread eagle on that bitch. But, yeah, when it's raining, I'm inside with a heater with my pants off. Well, yeah, my personal time, watching Jerry Springer with my pants off.